welcome back to another video. Today you join me here at a very different location to my usual one. I am at Oulton Park. Don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but I'm just waiting at the entrance and I am filming a race car driver today. This is the very first time I've ever done anything like this, so I'm a little bit nervous, don't really know what to expect, but I'm really looking forward to it. I've got my GoPro, so I'm going to take you on a little behind the scenes as well, so yeah, let's get into today's video. I've just been briefed on everything and I'm like in the little hut thing at the moment where we're keeping everything. Got the GoPro on, got my little pass, and yeah, I'm gonna get out there and let's go. In fact, to be fair, I've had a walk around and it looks so good. I don't even know if you can see me here, I'm just like kind of crouched down. But yeah, I'm buzzing for it, everything looks sick, the car looks so good, and I'm gonna go shoot some shots of it now, sort of in the paddock, getting ready. Let's go. Right, so let's go. I don't know how much talking I'm gonna be able to do, but I'll try and show you some of the cars that we've got in here. So this is the car that we're filming with today, which looks mad. And then we've got a GT3. I think it's just GT3, I don't think it's RS, just there, and the other one. Yeah, some of the cars further down seem like I think it's a GTI, VW up there, there's Cupras up there. Yeah, let's get some shots. So it's very full on at the moment. I've literally just come back to get a second lens just so that I can sort of see what it looks like from a distance. There's different viewpoints that I'm going to be going to in a bit, and I've got like a little buggy that I'm going to be scooting around on. Been using the GoPro as well to get like all the behind the scenes shots. They've gone out for testing, but they've all come back in because of a red flag or something. But yeah, like, it's mad. This is actually sick. So whilst I've just nipped back to the car on the electric scooter, there's some decent spots in the car park, like look at that. Fucking hell. And then them two behind. at the moment. It's on the TV over there as well. I'll put a little clip in from over here, but That's a sick truck. Smash that one. Yeah.
5.7 seconds. Be the number 222. Porsche from Team Hard.
Find things in the car park, and I found a pretty cool M2 competition here. I get some shots.
Have you asked him whether he realised he was going past?
The overall winners of round 2, Wayne Mars and Tom Jackson. That's it, fabulous. That's it, trophies up. Congratulations, that's your first, second, third position.
So we've just finished, the sun's still out, and the car is just behind me right there. And for my first ever experience here, what a day it has been, and we came first. So we are absolutely buzzing. Congratulations to Tom and Wayne for coming first. Unfortunately we couldn't get the podium and with the champagne and everything, but we did manage to pull the car in front, so we did get that. We're going to be putting the car in the pit to get some photos and just show off the trophies and stuff. But yeah, the sun's out, we've had the weirdest weather, just let them go past. So we're just getting the final shots. I will take you over there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've had a mad day. It's been surreal, yeah, and as if we got first place as well. So yeah, we're gonna go enjoy the champagne, obviously with the car. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.